Hey there, Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth Beach. Today we're going to do something that you can use for your chicken or your fish. It's a little pesto aioli or a maioli. Anyway, it's a great topping for, like I said, your chicken or fish. I like to use it on sea bass or grouper or like a nice chicken breast. Just give it a little quick sear and put this on top. It's also another great way to use that pesto that we made. So you got a little pesto, a little mayonnaise, and a little bit of lemon. Nice and easy. Can't ask for better than that, and it comes out just wonderful. Helps keep your fish or your chicken real moist. Gives it a beautiful crust on. You'll be able to see it after we're done. So let's just go ahead and get started. We're going to use, like I said, a little bit of mayo. And then some of that pesto. And if you want, go ahead and check right there, and you can see how we made that again. But again, now you're going to want a good amount in there, maybe a third of the amount of the mayo that you got. And then we're just going to give it a nice little stir. But look at that beautiful color. And then we're going to give it a little squeeze of some lemon. All right, so we got our pesto aioli done. And like I said, this goes great on there. Let me show you what this is going to look like when you're done. Got one here ready for you. But we've got one right here on a piece of sea bass. Look how beautiful that looks. So there we go. There's your pesto aioli. I'm Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth Beach. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and like, subscribe, let us know what you think, and as always, enjoy.